Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you solve the problem of your Google Chrome browser not working or not responding. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. And the second thing, you have to make sure that only one tab is open. You can see the icon with the number 1 in front of the microphone icon. You have to click on it and make sure that you have only one tab open. In some cases, when there are more tabs open, then the speed of internet becomes slow, and that's why your Google Chrome browser starts to show bugs and not responding. And the second thing, you have to come back and open up your mobile settings. There you can see the option of app management. You have to click on it and you have to open the app list. There you have to search Google Chrome. There you can see the Chrome option. You have to click on it. There you can see the option of storage and cache. Click on it. There you can see the option of clear cache at the bottom right corner. You have to click on it. In this way, you can fix the Google Chrome browser problems or the problem of Google Chrome not responding at time. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.